Good morning. Welcome to the Zen Ranch and welcome to day 2 of 40 Mantras, 40 Days with me, Mary Dew. Today, day 2, our mantra is, whatever the question, nature has the answer. Whatever the question, nature has the answer. Whatever the question, nature has the answer. No matter what your worries, your fears, your doubts, your insecurities, or your questions, nature always has the answer. So pause, go outside, find stillness, don't think, just be. Listen, observe. Stop chasing all the things. Let it come to you. Breathe in the fresh air. Exhale and know that it's all going to be okay. Fill up your heart with gratitude and blessings. Come back to simplicity. And then continue on about your day. So your challenge for today, should you choose to accept it, is to get outside and spend a little time in nature. Our mantra for today, whatever the question, nature has the answer. Repeat it all day long. I hope you have a wonderful day connecting with nature. I'll see you again tomorrow for day 3. Satnam, Aho, and Namaste. I'm going to go plant this tree.